Now let's see non-homogeneous recurrence relation for n square. Let us solve one example problem based on this one. Solve the recurrence relation an plus 2 minus 10 into an plus 1 plus 21 into an equal to 3n square minus n2. Here at the right hand side we have n square as well as we have minus 2 also. So we can say that here f of n is, so this right hand side, let us assume that this is represented by f of n. If f of n is equal to 0, then we can call that recurrence relation as homogeneous recurrence relation. But here f of n is not equal to 0, so we can call this recurrence relation as non-homogeneous recurrence relation. We know the solution for the non-homogeneous recurrence relation. So here the general solution for non-homogeneous recurrence relation is an equal to an power h plus an power p. So here an power h means homogeneous solution. Homogeneous means we have to write 0 in place of f of n. So we can write this equation as, this recurrence relation as an plus 2 minus 10 into an plus 1 plus 21 equal to, we have to write 0 here, is equal to 0. So we know the characteristic equation. Here we have 21 into n also. 21 into n equal to 0. an plus 2 minus 10 into n plus 1 plus 21 into n equal to, homogeneous means this right hand side part is 0. This is nothing but, let us observe which recurrence relation it is. Here, in order to know the recurrence relation type, we have to subtract the minimum subscript from the maximum subscript. Here the minimum subscript is n, the maximum subscript is n plus 2. So n plus 2 minus n means 2. So we can say that this is a second order recurrence relation. So we know the characteristic equation, characteristic or auxiliary equation. So this is called as characteristic equation or auxiliary equation. So the characteristic or auxiliary equation is k square minus 10 into k plus 21 equal to 0. So if we multiply, then we have to produce 21 into k square. If we add, then 7, 3, that is 10. So the roots are 7 and 3. So k square minus 7k minus 3k plus 21 equal to 0. So k is common. So k into k minus 7. Here minus 3 is common. So minus 3 into k minus 7 equal to 0. Here k1 equal to 7, k2 equal to 3. Thus here the roots are real and different. If the roots are real and different, then the general solution is n equal to a into k1 whole power n plus b into k2 whole power n. We can write this as an power h. This is homogeneous solution. A into, what is k1? 7 into 7 power n plus b into, what is k2? 3. So b into 3 power n. So let it be equation number 1. So a n power h is calculated. Now we have to calculate a n power p. So let us compute a n power p. A n power p means particular solution. So here what is the particular solution? Particular solution is nothing but the right hand side part. So 3n square minus 2. So here we have n square. So here the general solution is, if the right hand side contains a constant, then the solution is a naught. Whereas if the right hand side contains n, then the solution is a naught plus a1 n. Whereas if the right hand side contains n square, then the general solution is a naught plus a1 n plus a2 n square. So now the general solution is an equal to a naught plus a1 n plus a2 n square. Here for space constraints, I am erasing this portion. Let us erase this portion. Let us keep the last statement. Why? Because we require an power h while calculating an. Why? Because an equal to an power h plus an power p. Now we need to substitute an in the given problem, in the given recurrence relation. So then an plus 2. An plus 2 means in place of n we have to write n plus 2. So a naught plus a1 into, here we need to obtain n plus 2. So in place of n we have to substitute n plus 2 plus a2 into a2 n square. In place of n we need to substitute n plus 2. N plus 2 whole square minus 10 into a n plus 1. So in place of n we need to substitute n plus 1. So 10 into a naught plus a1 into n plus 1 plus a2 into, in place of n we have to substitute n plus 1. a2 into n plus 1 whole square plus 21 plus 21 into, what is an? An is nothing but a naught plus a1 n plus a2 n square only. a2 n square, that is equal to 3n square minus 2. So let us expand this equation further. So a naught plus a1 n plus 2 into a1. a1 n plus 2 into a1 plus a2 into n plus 2 whole square. So that means n square, a plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab. 2ab means 4n plus b square means 4 minus, so 10 into a naught plus, we can expand this equation, a1 n plus a1 into 1 means a1 plus a2 into n plus 1 whole square means n square plus 2n plus 1 plus 21 a naught plus 21 a1 n plus 21 a2 n square. 21 a naught, 21 a1 n plus 21 a2 n square is equal to 3n square minus 2. Let us simplify further. So a naught plus a1 n plus 2a1 plus, so multiply with a2, then we will get a2 n square plus 4a2n plus a2 into 4 means 4a2 minus 10 a naught, minus into plus means minus 10 a1n, minus into plus means minus 10 a1, so minus 10 into a n plus 1. a n plus 1 means minus 10 into a n plus 1. So next, minus into plus means minus, so 10 into a2 n square, 10 into a2 n square, minus into plus means minus, so 10 into 2 means 20 a2 n, next minus into plus means minus, so 10 a2, so a2 n square, 10 a2 n square, next 10 20 a2 n, next minus into plus minus 10 a2 plus 21 a naught plus 21 a1 n plus 21 a2 n square equal to 3n square minus 2. 3n square minus 2. Here a naught value, a1 value is not given. So let us expand further. So here, if you observe here, expansion is over. Here the constant part is, if you observe here, a naught is constant part, next 2a1 is constant part, next 4a2 is constant part, 10a naught is constant part, 10a1 is constant part, minus 10a2 is constant part, plus 21 a naught is constant part. So this is constant part. If you observe here, a naught, next we have minus 10 a naught. So that means minus a naught, minus 9 plus 21 means 21 minus 9 means 12. So 12 A naught, 12 A naught. So A naught is covered. Next A naught is covered. Next this 10 A naught is covered. So minus 10 plus 1 means minus 9. Minus 9 plus 12 means 21 minus 9 means 12 A naught. So A naught is covered. Next coming to the A1, 2A1, 2A1, 2A1. Next minus 10A1. So 2A1 minus 10A1 means minus 8A1. Minus 8A1. Minus 8A1. Next, if you consider A2, 4A2, 4A2 minus 10A2. Minus 10A2 plus 4A2 means minus 6A2. Minus 6A2 is equal to, here in the right hand side, what is constant part? Minus 2 is constant part. So we can equate minus 2 here. So this is constant part equal to minus 2. Likewise, we need to find out n term as well as n square term. Let us find out n term. So A1n, next 4A2n, next minus 10A1, next minus 20A2n, next plus 21A1n. Yeah, that's it. So A1n plus A1n, next A1n, nth term, minus 10. So minus 10 plus 1 means minus 9. Minus 9. Here we have 21. So 21 minus 9 means 12. So 12A1. 12A1n. So this A1n is covered. Next, this A1n is covered. So minus 10 plus 1 means minus 9. Next, this is covered. So minus 9 plus 21 means 12A1n. Next, let us focus on A2n. So 4A2n, 4A2n, 4A2n. Next, minus 20A21. So minus 20 plus 4 means minus 16. Minus 16A2n. 4A2n, 4A2n. Next, minus 20. Minus 20 plus 4 means minus 16A2n. Minus 16A2n. So that is equal to, here nth value. Here nth value is not given. We have only n square and minus 2. So if nth value is not given, then we can write it as 0 into n. So that means 0. 0. Nth value is not given. So we can equate to 0. Next, let us focus on n square. Let's focus on n square part. A to n square. A to n square. Next we have minus 10 A to n square. So 1 minus 10 means minus 9. Next we have plus 21. So 21 minus 9 means 12. So 12 A to n square equal to, here what is n square part? 3n square. So we can equate this. So n square is cancelled. So 3/4. So A2 equal to 1 by 4. So A2 is calculated. A2 value is 1 by 4. Next, based on A2 value, we can find out A1 value. So 12 into A1n equal to, we can write as 16 into A2n. So 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. This n is cancelled. So we can write A1 as A1 equal to here multiplied, here division. So 4 by 3 into A2. What is A2? 1 by 4. So 4 will be cancelled. So what is A1 value? 1 by 3. A1 is 1 by 3. A2 is 1 by 4. Next, based on A1 and A2, we can compute A0 value. So here what is the formula for A0? 12 A0 equal to, we can move towards this side. Minus 2 plus 8A1 plus 6A2. Minus 2 plus 8A1 plus 6A2. So 12A0 equal to minus 2 plus 8 into what is A1 part? 1 by 3. What is A1 part? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 6 into what is A2 part? 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So let us expand further. So 12 into A0 equal to minus 2 plus 8 by 3 plus 6 by 4. So 12 into A0 equal to, so here what is the LCM? 12 is LCM. So 1 12s are 12. 12 into 22 means 24. 3 4s are 12. So 4 into 8 means 32. Plus 4 3s are 12. So 3 into 6 means 18. So 1 12, 24, 3 4, 32, 4 3, 18. So 12 into A0 equal to 32 minus 24 means 18. 8. 8. 8 plus 18 means 26. 26. 32 minus 24 means 8. 8 plus 18 means 26. So 26 by 12. So what is A0? 12. So here 2 13s, 2 6. So A0 equal to 13 by 12, 6 are 72. So what is lower part? What is particular solution now? We know the particular solution formula. The particular solution formula is ANP equal to A0 plus A1n plus A2n square. What is A0 value? 13 by 72 plus A1n. What is A1 value? 1 by 3 into n. So we can write it as n by 3 plus A2 into n square. 1 by 4 into n square. So we can write that as n square by 4. Let it be equation number 2. Now we need to substitute equation number 1, equation number 2 in this equation. So we know the formula for an power h plus an power p. What is an power h? A into 7 power n plus b into 3 power n plus what is n power p? 13 by 72 plus n by 3 plus n square by 4. So this is the general solution for this problem. In this example, A0 and A1 values are not given. If it is a second order recurrence relation, then A0 and A1 values may be given. If A0 and A1 values are given, then we need to substitute. If A0 is given, then in place of n we have to substitute 0. Then by substituting A0 value, we will get some equation. Likewise, if A1 is given, in place of n we have to substitute A1. Then based on that, based on those two equations, we can obtain A and B values. So after obtaining A and B values, substitute A and B values in this equation. But in this example, A0 and A1 values are not given. So there is no need to have further procedure. So we can stop the process now. So this is the general solution for this problem. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, as well as share the channel with your friends. Thanks for watching.